Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm in the studio today to give you a little preview of a new set of stencils that I've designed specifically for abstract work. Now, you know that I love a good stencil. It's a wonderful tool to use in mixed media techniques. However, I get super excited when I can use the same stencil multiple ways using the same technique. Let me show you. First off, you might recognize this oldie but goodie. It was released a while back with a set of mid-century modern pattern designs, and this one is called Rocks and Leaves. I wanted to build off of this concept and use more shapes and lines that would be found very organically in nature if you were on a nature walk. So here I've got a little bit of an abstract take on a sun and some rocks, and some linear designs with a leaf and shapes that you might find in a landscape. Next, I have a series of shapes and lines and organic looking images that you could use separately. So if you took a look at this, there's kind of 4 quadrants that you could use or work the whole stencil and trim it down into interesting little areas there. There's kind of a flower shape there and some landscape textures and all sorts of goodies in here that I've been playing with on this large abstract that I have going. I have to move it around because this is such a huge canvas, but I've got a little bit of it going on there. Landscapes to me have a lot of horizontal and vertical lines, so I wanted to give lots of options for you to use within the same stencil. Then we have the 9x12. This is designed as a grid so that you can utilize it in strips or just use an area or pick and choose anything that you'd like here. I have to say, I really did agonize over this big open shape here. I really wanted to fill that in, but when you're working on a larger piece like a canvas, it's nice to have a bold area of color. So I ended up leaving that just as is, and then I thought, well, you could combine it with another stencil. This is the 4x4, and if I took that and slid it into that shape, I could move it around and get some really interesting mini shapes. So I will leave that up to you how you want these stencils to interact, but I'm super excited to get to use these in all sorts of abstracts, landscapes, and just general work in my art journal. I hope you enjoy them as well.